Hey everyone, Billy here. So I've got my three deer here. I took them out of the box and I'm getting ready to go ahead and get them unwrapped. Now on each package it says that there's a lot of glitter on here. So you don't want to, if you do it inside your home, you definitely want to have something to catch the glitter. I'm doing it out here in my garage, so it'll be a lot easier to do and less messy. And I can see here that the instructions are on the inside of this bubble wrap. I'm not sure how long this is going to take me, but let's go ahead and get it unwrapped and see what it looks like. So I've got it unpacked, as you can see. I got it out of the bubble wrap, and you can see there's quite a bit of glitter through here. So it's definitely something, like I said earlier, you don't want it in the house, but it doesn't look like it's going to be too bad to put together, but so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I got them built, and it actually took me about 15 minutes, and I didn't even have to use the instructions, which is pretty awesome. So they're real easy to put together. Just for example, the tail. So there's a little hole where you can just slide it in there, and that's how the legs are too. So there's a hole for each leg in the front, so it's real simple to put together. And then when you're going to mount it outside, it actually comes with these hooks right here. And the feet have like these holes here. So if it was outside, you would just slide that in the ground. And then you have some hooks here and some additional ones so you can mount it in the ground real well in case the wind's blowing in the time that they're up. But they're very nice. As you can see, there's glitter everywhere. So that's why you'd want to do it. Not in the house, and it's really pretty. There's a lot of LED lights, and it does come with a bow for each deer. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights and let you see what it looks like. So as you can see, it's very pretty when it's all lit up and it's dark outside. It's really nice. I'm really glad I purchased these, and I know you will too. It's gonna hopefully make my neighbors very jealous. So hope you have a Merry Christmas.